Simple crypto investing where you like, subscribe, and share for a one-of-a-kind, company-made, probability-based trading alert, technical analysis, and company philosophy, as we're your most trusted source for blockchain technology and cryptocurrency breaking news and coin updates. As you can see, the coins are starting to come back down again, and the stop losses are now just about to be hit that we have in our trade. If you were trading with Vincenzo on a very profitable first trade as a member of Jabroni Killers, gave you lots of opportunities to do what you need to do, but you can still see in Bitcoin in where we want to look at, the 4 hourly, you can see we're still not to the support zone yet. So Bitcoin in a healthy pullback can come down to the 200-day moving average in the 3 or the 4 hourly, which is right on this blue ring here that we're going to actually make bigger finally for once. Where'd my orange ring go? There's my orange ring. You can see what's going on here. I got it. I need to get it in logarithmic. I hit it in the regular due to my oil play. See the difference where the lines are. You can see it comes down to the moving averages line up right down here on this blue support box, or the blue fib circle, right? And that's what we got right here. See that? We're going to make this a little bit brighter so you can see it. Come on. See that? There's your support zone. So you could be in a healthy consolidation right now, like we were talking about yesterday, all the way down into here in Bitcoin, and still make another leg up. As you can see, we've had a bottom and then another bottom, and that's what we bought off. We bought this double bottom, and that's how we profited when the coins between Bitcoin and cryptos and the altcoins were up between 15 and 20% across the board. Bitcoin from its swing low to its swing high, for somebody who called it the absolute bottom and sold the absolute top, which Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing definitely did not do. That was it. Wow, that was actually a 32% move. Holy shit, I didn't realize it was that much. But we got on top of this trade on the retest right here. This is where we entered into the trade. So since then, Bitcoin went up. It actually went up 22%, but it's up 14% now. Oh, it had that little spike to end out rally yesterday morning or yesterday afternoon, I forget. But as long as you come to 40,960 on that blue ring, if you can hold that, you're still bullish because you're above the 200-day moving average, right? But if you slip below the 200-day moving average and you're in a trade anywhere from this consolidation, this is where your sell order should be. Once Bitcoin drops below this blue ring in the 200-day in green and starts to dip back down there, that's your step down pattern, right? When you come down here, you could come back up to back test the blue ring, then the orange, and then back down like that. But if you break this and get down into here, that's very bearish, right? So that's where the stop loss should be. And on my trade on Bitcoin SV, that is indeed where the stop loss is. It's getting very close to being hit. It's just underneath. It's not that low. It's just underneath that old line right there, the support zone with our industry exclusive tool here, our purchasing tool. It's right underneath here at about $80 and change, and our entry price was at 70. Where was our entry price? Our entry price is in here somewhere. I forget the exact price, but it leaves us about a 6 to 5.5% profit if our stop loss gets hit, because we were willing to give up here, hoping it would get knocked down, retest, and shoot up higher. So we're still holding out hope, right? Because we try to play the trade through. We don't try to emotionally get in or emotionally get out. And we're still in the bullish territory, and we're just going to let it play out and see what happens, right? We're still going to make out on the deal a little bit, and maybe a lot if things go right. And then you can see your lower support here, and XRP continues to remain the 73 cents. It used to be 70 cents, but it's an uptrending support, right? So let's get rid of that one. It's an uptrending support. So as the days go on, it goes from 72 to 72 and a quarter to 72 and a half, and on and on and on and outwards and upwards, right? And you can see we're still, as long as, if you're an XRP in a trade, as long as you hold above this 200-day, and especially this major uptrending support right here, you're still bullish. You can dance on it and you're bullish because you can still kick out. But if you slip underneath that, that's where your stop loss should be. If you slip back out, now you're very bearish and you can have a long way down. But as long as you can hold this 72 cents, you're still within your trade. If you were in a trade on that coin on a swing trade, you don't have to sell out yet. That's where the stop loss should be. If you're trading anything, I wouldn't be entering any positions right now until you hit some support. XLM you can see it got rejected again, and now it seems to be coming down to the 200-day, or not the 200-day, your underneath support down here, which you're going to need to gather some support. It is possible you could come up for another leg, but it's also possible that you could get sputtered out here and then start to slip down, right? And you know your next underneath target is way down here at 10 cents, right? So we're going to keep an eye out on this very closely, because you don't want to get fleece heisted and shysted, as the buying opportunities are on support. Like here, all these coins, you have the bottom, and then this is how I had my buys on my coins, were on the retest for the pump up, and then we were going to ride it as high as it went. We were just going to let it continue to ride as the stop loss and bring the stop loss up, right, as we continue to see this pump. And that's what's going on. So you don't want to get fleece heisted and shysted. Algo is the same thing. It's getting rejected. If you can't hold, and you can't hold this 69 cent level right here at this underneath bottom, you're coming down to 56 cents, right? So you got to be very careful on Algo. DGB, you can see we're getting rejected now by the 200-day at 23.5 cents. And if you can't get some structure, your next underneath target is all the way down here, right? On a pullback, that's your next underneath target. You would go from the top of the last line of defense to the shithouse right to the bottom. If you can't hold this underneath right here, right, that's your key area to hold in DGB. And then Cardano, right? Cardano's in the same pattern as the prior three coins, and you need to get some structure, as you have 63 cents as your major underneath support and $1.21 as your major overhead resistance, right? Or $1.21, $1.08 as your major overhead resistance. Like, subscribe, and share to Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing. Peace and love. Crash alert update.